Domination attendees. Hope you've been having just the most awesome time. Rochelle always provides such great information, so I hope you've been just getting all kinds of nuggets. And I hope that you're here because I was able to share some really great nuggets with you. So now, what are you going to do? Now you need to take some action. What you're going to need to do is download Boost Your Results ebook, okay? $4.97. Find the button right down here below. It's an ebook that you have printable sheets so that you can print out your assessment tool. And what it's going to do is it's going to step you through looking at all of your different productivity tools, how they're working for you, what's working for you, what's not working for you, what is the job that they're doing for you or not doing for you, and how to really move forward with having a very comprehensive productivity tool support system. And so, yes, it's going to take you a little bit of time, but that's okay. The outcome is worth it. You want long-term results and tools that are going to work with you for a long time. So, again, $4.97. Click the button below. It's an ebook. You get it lickety split and you're off to the races and running. So I look forward to hearing how you're doing with it and what you've learned. So drop me an email, give me a post, do something, but I'd love to hear from you and see how it's going. The other thing that you can do is I have a second offer for you, so check out that video right next to me, and a variety of other things on my website, whether it's other videos from all of the times that I've been on Fox, providing organizing tips and information, articles that I've written, blog posts. So kind of do a nice little tour, browse around, and see if there's some other way that I might be able to help you. So hope you're having a great summit. Look forward to hearing from you. And again, buttons right down below, $4.97, easy peasy, and off you go. All right, thanks.